Are you stuck at home? Cold? And thirsty? Of course you are. We all are. Does your hot chocolate not mix like you want it to? Well, that's not a problem anymore with the self-stirring mug. With the self-stirring mug, your stressful hot chocolate making days are over. Our patented Vortex technology harnesses all the force of a great typhoon and quickly and easily whips that chocolate into shape. This innovative take on liquid holders can be yours today for one easy payment of $23.45. I repeat, one easy payment of $23.45. That's a great deal. But if you call 626-123-STIR, that's 626-123-STIR, S-T-I-R, within the next 10 seconds, we'll even throw in this on-the-go lid for free. Absolutely free! While supplies last. This product may cause a loss of muscle mass, aluminum poisoning, and electric fires. This self-stirring mug does not accept liability for incidental or consequential damages or for any losses of physique or property. Call your doctor to make sure this product is right for you. Get your self-stirring mug today!